Alright, what I have here is a Sloan valve low flow shower head. What makes this low flow? It's 2.5 gallons per minute. Basically, in the 90s, a regulation was passed that limited shower heads sold in the United States to 2.5 gallons per minute. That's low flow. Now, the nice thing about a lot of shower heads is there is a flow restrictor which can easily be removed. And usually that flow restrictor is located right in there. Now, I don't know if you can see in there, but you can see something restricting the path down inside there. That's probably the flow restrictor, and in order to remove it, it looks like that this nut, Allen headed nut, is going to need to be loosened. Unscrew this, and then you probably get to that flow restrictor inside there. Remove that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this thing the way it is and let you see how it flows right out of the package. I haven't even installed or anything in this. This is the first time I've had it out of the package. Another nice thing about this, all metal and made in the USA. It says so right here on the package. Made in USA, which is nice because so many shower heads and so much other crap today is made in China, and low quality. You get low quality, poorly made shit, but you don't get a break on the price, or at least not much of a break. I'd rather pay more for quality American made stuff. Help the economy, help put American citizens to work. So we'll go install this, and then we'll let you see how it flows, and it'll be first time for me as well. There's my current shower head. It's a Whedon. It's also low flow, 2.5 gallons per minute, but I modified that. There's no flow restrictor in that, so what I had to do is I had to enlarge the water passageway with a drill. I think I enlarged it to 1/4 of an inch, maybe a little bit bigger, and it flows a lot better. But I bought this diverter, and that diverter has pretty small passage in it, so it might be restricting the water. Anyway, here's how this thing flows. After my modifications, it flows well. It seems to flow a lot better than it did out of the package. Remove that and put on the Sloan. And to remove the shower head, simply unscrew it. Now this shower head, this Whedon came with a trickle switch right here. This shuts it off to a trickle. Now this thing also has a fairly small passageway in it, so I'm just going to remove that, not use it with the Sloan at this point. We'll see how the Sloan flows by itself, even though we have this diverter. Oh, yeah. Damn thing didn't come with the washer either. I have to use the washer out of the old one, which I'm removing right now. And which I right now. Without this washer, shower head will probably leak. So, washer goes right in here. Then you just screw the shower head on. I'll just hand tighten it for now. If it leaks, I'll tighten it more. Yeah, it's leaking. Alright, so that's a nice pattern there. But I'm going to have to tighten it. Still leaking. Shower head that leaks like that, I'm probably going to have to use Teflon tape. Alright, now you can see that I have some Teflon tape wrapped around the threads a little bit, about 2 or 3 wraps. So, let's install this shower head and see if it still leaks. Later, I'm going to take this thing apart and see if I can get rid of any water restrictors in there. Because, frankly, low flow just doesn't cut the mustard. Oh, this is also a Whedon shower head that I put on this handle. All this is made in the U.S. This is from High Sierra shower heads or something like that. They have a shower head that's also low flow. And it's only 1.5 gallons per minute. That would be this shower head. This High Sierra. So I couldn't buy just the handle. I had to buy the handle and the shower head. But I didn't want the shower head, I just wanted the handle. So I had to remove the shower head that came with it and then install the Whedon on there. So anyway, now I have my Sloan installed. It's not leaking, or is it? Nope, it's not leaking. Alright, it's a decent shower head. The only problem, just could use a little bit more pressure, a little more flow out of there. But yeah, I'll keep that the way that is. But I mean, I'll keep that shower head, and then I will try to modify it and see if I can get more flow out of there. Yeah, it's a decent shower head. I like it.